Thrombosis definition: formation of solid plug from the constituents of blood anywhere in the intact cardiovascular tree during life is called as thrombosis. Causes of thrombosis or Virchow's triad. There are three main causes. Endothelial changes. This may due to physical trauma, burn, freeze, electric injury, chemical damage, bacterial toxins, inflammation in vessels, erythrosclerosis, etc. Any neoplasia provokes platelet adhering and aggravation. This in turn initiates coagulation of blood and formation of fibrin. Second, alteration in blood flow, slowing the stream, turbulence, eddy current, hyperviscosity state of blood. Eddy current is the basically backflow of blood in vascular system. All and thirdly, alteration of blood constituents, medical protein, fat, their chemical composition or any foreign chemical body, could be anything. Formation and growth of thrombus. Sticky endothelial damage invites platelets to adhere. Adherent platelets keep on growing in the form of arborescent stands and fuse to form glossy clumps. Later, it is accompanied by intrinsic thromboplast, which clots the plasma trapped between the platelet clumps. The decomposition of the fibrin strengthens the thrombus and anchors it to one side of the vessel wall. This small flat granule plug is called primary platelet thrombi. Caroline thrombus. The rough surface of developing platelet thrombus acts further stimulus for platelet adhesion in another thrombin layer and entrap RBC. This forms platelet plug and then coagulation cascade is triggered. As the blood flow passes the platelet thrombi, red cells are trapped in mesh and thrombus grows in layers on the direction of blood flow, producing the wavy elevated ridge of platelets called line of Zahn. Occluding thrombus. As the thrombus grows, it encoats the lumen and obstructs the bloodstream. Once the volume is completely occluded, the blood flow ceases and the stagnant column of blood clots without production of any line of Zahn. This is consecutive clot which is adhered to vessel wall, though original thrombus and likely can embolize. Fate of thrombus. Resolution. Small mural thrombi shrink by retraction and are reabsorbed after being slowly lysed by the fibrinolytic mechanism of blood and lytic enzyme from leukocytic incorporated in their bodies. Large amount of enzymes activators of plasminogen present in plasma. Activated plasmin is proteolytic and fibrinolytic in action, which can explode and destroy itself. Clots intended for temporary homeostasis are destroyed immediately after their utilization is over. Organization, depending upon the size of the thrombus, ultimately converted into fibrous plug or fibrous nodule, which may show homeostasis siderin, cholesterol, cleft, and calcium salts. Embolism. The clot may run along the circulation to other branches and can occlude elsewhere.